What is a Curcio hearing and how do you get one? A Curcio hearing is a hearing in federal court to determine if the attorney representing the client has a conflict and whether or not the client is waiving the conflict. This is known as the Curcio hearing in the Second Circuit, but it has many other names across the districts in the United States. But it's definitely Curcio in the Second Circuit. Curcio hearings are typically done after the prosecutor raises with the court the issue of the conflict, the appearance of the conflict, the existence of the conflict. Ultimately, the prosecutor notifies the judge that they think there may be a conflict with the attorney representing the client or a potential for a conflict in the attorney-client representation. And what typically happens, at least in the Second Circuit, the judge brings everyone in, the prosecutor, the current lawyer, the client, and this is really important, the judge assigns an attorney who's got nothing to do with the case to meet with the client and talk to the client about what is the conflict, what is going on? Does the client understand the limitations of having this attorney represent the client going forward? And the Curcio counsel's job is literally to be a neutral party to talk to the client about the conflict and about potential limitations that the attorney's representation may have. Typically, Curcio hearings are done whenever there's a conflict between the attorney and the client, whether it's representing another person on a related matter, whether it's representing another client on a past matter, whether it's the attorney being a fact witness. But whenever there's a conflict or the appearance of the conflict, the prosecutor rings the bell, ding, ding, we got to come to court and talk about it. And the judges conduct these Curcio hearings with regularity. I've been Curcio'd, I've been Curcio counsel. It's a very common thing, and it's not to say the lawyers are doing anything improper, incorrect. This is literally just making sure that the client understands what they're doing and everyone is on the same page about the existence of the conflict and the client's waiver or non-waiver of the conflict.